2025 March calendar. Monday, 24th February, Afọ Day. Tuesday, 25th February, Nkwo Day. Wednesday, 26th February, Eke Day. Thursday, 27th February, Orie Day. Friday, 28th February, Afọ Day. You can see that March 2025 started on Saturday. That is 1st March, Nkwo Day. Sunday, 2nd March, Eke Day. 3rd March, Orie Day. 4th March, Afọ Day. 5th March, Nkwo Day. 6th March, Eke Day. 7th March, Orie. 8th March, Afọ. 9th March, Nkwo. 10th March, Eke. 11th March, Orie. 12th March, Afọ. 13th March, Nkwo. 14th March, Eke. 15th March, Orie. 16th March, Afọ, being Sunday. 17th March, Nkwo, Monday. 18th March, Eke, Tuesday. 19th March, Orie, Wednesday. 20th March, Afọ, Thursday. 21st March, Nkwo Day, being Friday. 22 March, Saturday, Eke. 23, Sunday, Orie. 24, Monday, Afọ. 25th, Tuesday, Nkwo. 26th March, Eke, Wednesday. 27th March, Orie, Thursday. 28th March, Afọ Day. 29th March, Nkwo. 30th March, Eke, being Sunday. 31st March, Orie. You can see that 2025 March ended on Orie Day. That is Monday, 31st. Now, you can see that April 2025 will start on Tuesday. That is Afọ Day, 1st. 2nd April 2025, Nkwo Day, Wednesday. 2025 April, Eke, Thursday. 2025 April,